Start speaking now. Time is up. Hi, Alex. I heard you're finding it a bit tough balancing your new part-time job with your schoolwork. I've got some advice that might help you manage everything better. First, you should create a detailed weekly schedule. Write down all your classes, work shifts, and study blocks. This visual plan will help you see where to fit in study sessions and manage your time effectively. Being consistent with your schedule makes a big difference. Second, try to prioritize your tasks. At the start of each day or week, identify the most important assignments or work duties. Using a to-do list can help you focus on high-priority tasks first, reducing stress, and ensuring deadlines are met. Finally, remember to be flexible and take breaks. While a schedule is good, sometimes unexpected things happen, so be ready to adjust. It's also important to schedule short breaks to avoid burnout and keep your energy up. Don't forget to get enough rest. I'm sure these steps will help you succeed. Let me know how it goes.